Today is today's February 17th, 2021. Yesterday I mentioned that I had been or I experienced depression from November through February, pretty much. Um, what has been interesting is that the depression I experience is more of a physiologic depression than it is like a mood or behavioral depression. Um, Something I have noticed that since I had this, I came out of this brain injury and came out of the wheelchair, and on my own, I have this like new zest for life. I really enjoy being alive. I enjoy life. That's why, honestly, the one thing that really bothers me is when some external influence imposes itself on me, and hence I can't, not that I can't, but it becomes a juggle to enjoy, which shouldn't be. So, something I wanted to touch base on today was acknowledgement of exactly what is depression. Depression, it's basically a slowing down of processes, and this internal decretion or slowing rate of processes um, creates a lethargic behavior and experience. Um, yeah, the internal world is just as uh, important and profound as the external world. For the external world to really be enjoyable, the internal world needs to have some state of balance and equilibrium. So I've studied all these years different technologies, different modalities of therapy, um, from the physical therapy, occupational, speech, yada yada, to, what, I've been to therapists, psychologists. I can't say there has been one that, every time I do see someone, I tend to record the sessions, and I make a step toward knowing myself even better, even more, so that I can be that much better of a person for anyone else in my environment. That's pretty much what life is about. Each other. We individually go and experience different things in life that affect us differently, and then we interact with other people, and our experiences kind of, you know, are experienced by the others in our environment, just, um, by being here. So we quiet ourselves, our minds. We are happy. If you don't want to be quiet, if you want to jump up and down and dance, that's cool too. Quieting the mind, what does that mean? It just means, all those crazy thoughts aren't running around, that you're actually like in tune with yourself, and you're flowing and you're enjoying. That's pretty much like the whole point, is to be happy. Because if you're not happy, then, you know, how can you make other people happy? And not that you have to make them happy, it's just like, sharing happiness and getting on a love boat. Um, loving that we share this planet and this world, and we're in this together, so no more fighting. And it's important for people to know that they're not alone, and that we have all experienced something similar to the next. And I've experienced a lot, and so I'm going to make it a point to actually like put my message out there. I'm working on it, and I'm sorry I haven't. But I wanted to make sure that I was in a good place first, so that I wasn't being a hypocrite. I have academic experience and knowledge and life experience, and so I'm ready to bring them out into the world and be effective. I think that effectiveness, being effective, is actually, comes back around to me. And I'll experience more pride and happiness in myself because I know I've helped someone else. Win-win.